Hello, I'm Steve Buckingham at Queen Mary University London, and I'm going to show you very quickly how to use the ICD11, which is the International Classification of Diseases manual, and I'm going to illustrate how to use it by looking up the symptoms of depression. So if you go to Google, you can quickly get hold of the ICD manual by simply typing ICD11 in the search box, and it comes up at the top. So follow the link and you'll see the home page. You'll want to use the online browser, so click here where you see ICD11 browser. That then gives you all the classification of all the different diseases according to this European system. We're interested in depression, and that counts as a mental, behavioural or neurodevelopmental disorder, which is 6. So if we click on that, we can see it expands to a number of disorders, and we're interested in mood disorders. So click on mood disorders, and if you actually click on the title on the right here, you can see a description of the mood disorder. And if we focus in on that, you can see, or you could see it if I were able to expand it properly, the description of the disease. Let's look at depressive disorders, and then we can drill down further into, for example, single episode depressive disorder. And that tells us that these depressive orders are characterized by presence or history of one depressive episode when there is no history of prior depressive episodes. Depressive episode is characterized by a period of almost daily depressed mood, etc., etc. So that's how you use the ICD-11 to find out the official symptoms of a disease.